Everybody wants to know, how much is my case worth? Well, you can't tell when you hire an attorney right after an accident what your case is worth, because it's based on the medical treatment that you're going to get and whether that medical treatment is related to an accident. Further, there's other portions as well that make it complicated. If you have a prior medical history that is in that same body part, well, that makes it more difficult to tell what's from this accident and what's from your previous history. Another problem is liability. If you're 100% not liable on an accident, that's a lot more valuable case than if maybe you had some fault as well. Next is your choices. Patients' choices affect the value of their case. If you're a good patient, you do what your doctors ask you to do, you show up to your appointments and you give accurate, honest pain scale numbers when they ask you how much pain you're in, you're more likely to have a valuable case than if you don't show up to your appointments and your pain ratings are either inaccurate or not very well thought out. And finally, unfortunately, your witness's ability is a big portion of what a value of a case is as well. If you are a consistent person that can tell the truth as many times as necessary, if you are able to be consistent and fair and even likable, you're much more likely to get a good value on your case than if you're somebody that can't do those things. And then finally, did you make a recorded statement that can be used against you? Again, if you made a recorded statement, you said something that's inaccurate, it's probably going to be used against you. There's other factors as well. But given just these factors, I hope you can see why it's difficult to look at any case and know exactly what it's worth prior to a person at least finishing treatment.